What's up, squad abilities? Today I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to this. If you guys want to keep on watching, you will see all the products that I use to achieve this look. And this is one of my looks where if I'm streaming, if I'm going out, this is one of my holy grail product list and what I use all the time. This is one of my go-tos. So just keep on watching. So the first thing that I start with is my eyebrows. And what I've been using lately is this Anastasia brow gel to set everything in place. Or I'll be using the NYX brow glue. I got like a little sample of the Anastasia one. I'm just gonna start by doing my brows. And I like to brush them up, not like super foxy or fluffy, but just enough to where it looks lifted underneath. Like I like to lift the hairs underneath and then like kind of just like pull it to the side like that before I go in with my dip brow. So the Anastasia one is good. I like it. I've just been using it just because it's convenient, but I will say the NYX one is slightly more tacky, and I definitely notice a difference in just textures and stuff like that. If I know I'm going to be streaming for a long time, what I've been doing lately is I have this Milani Make It Last setting spray, so you can prime, correct, set, you know, do a bunch of stuff with that. So I'm gonna spray that on my face before I get started, because also I am breaking the fuck out. So I'm gonna do a full coverage look today. That's gonna be my kind of prep. I like to have a routine of just the same products that I know that work. Yesterday, I tried this Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. and I see all the girls on TikTok rave about this. However, I noticed yesterday when I used this, yes, it's like that tacky, like if you put makeup to it, it's gonna stick. But I noticed yesterday when I was using my face makeup and my beauty blender, it was picking up product and it looked really patchy, really weird. So I'm not gonna use this one today. I have been using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I do like this one. I might use it today and see just like how I like it. So I'll just like take like a little bit on my finger and kind of do it like on like my T-zone area. I want those pores to be protected and stuff like that. And if you guys have like primer recommendations that you swear by, let me know. But my skin has just been freaking the fuck out lately and I don't know why. And also, sorry if I'm like looking like too far like right here, because that's like where my OBS is and I want to make sure like I'm in frame and like showing you guys what I'm doing. My eyebrows, this is my favorite eyebrow. This one, she needs to get it together because she's really embarrassing me out here, but it's fine. I do my eyebrows myself because I used to get them waxed like a really long time ago, and it would just be too much. Like it would just be way too much. They took way too much off. It looked a little ridiculous. So I don't even mind if I have like hairs down here or anything like that. Like I really don't care about that kind of stuff. Like, I don't know, that's weird. But okay, so I am going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Taupe. This one works best with my hair color. And I'll just take a small angled brush. It really doesn't matter. It's really not that serious. Like just any brush you have, like a little thin angled brush. Like it doesn't have to be one specific one. So I do one light line under my brows and then I will fill in like with light strokes wherever else I feel like I need it, so. Like this brow compared to this one, like what the fuck? What is it doing? Like why does it look like that? So those are the brows. And depending on the days, depending on the look, sometimes I'll go in and I'll do my face makeup first before my eyes, but some days I like to do my eye makeup before my face, because if I'm working with a lot of glitters or metallics or products that could fall under, why would I want to do all my face makeup and have fall out underneath and then ruin my whole entire base? I think today though, I am going to do my face makeup and then my eyes, just because I want to like cover this going on. So lately I've been mixing for my eyelids. I have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this is in the shade, this is just the light one shade. This is also the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is the fairest one that they have. Yes, ma'am. And this is like so cheap but good. So I'll take this one because this one is darker than this one. I'll kind of use this to just carve if I'm going for like a natural glam today, which this is my go-to glam when no matter what outfit I'm wearing or what I'm doing, it's gonna be fine and I know it's gonna turn out good. This is like just my go-to routine. Because I'm gonna be filming a video after this too, where it's gonna be a try-on haul from Princess Polly. So I want my makeup to be neutral for that. That way with every single look that I try on, it's gonna be good. So I like to carve out my brows first before I go in with the rest of my face. So those are the brows. And then, hi, Ollie. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Ready? Had to play fetch with my cat real quick. You guys know Mr. Ollie. Okay, so I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna spot conceal with the NARS today, just because I don't know. I'm like, I'm so mad at my skin right now. I've been buying inexpensive products. I've been taking really good care of it, and it's just saying no, bitch. So, NARS concealer, patting that in. All right, so for foundation, I did just place an order with Ulta to try out some new concealers and foundations. If you guys want some reviews on those, they're like drugstore, like not expensive ones. This, however, is one of my more expensive foundations that I have. I do love this one. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, and it's also in the lightest shade. I do like this one a lot. And what I do, I never put the product directly on my T-zone now. I'll start on my cheeks and then I'll move it in towards my face just because I don't want it to look super cakey or I don't want it to gather. And also I don't take it directly under my eyes because that's what the concealer is for. All right, so now for under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm just gonna do here, here, and on the sides. And I'm gonna layer it now with the LA Girl. Because this one, like I said, it's a lot lighter. So I'll just put that directly on top. So then this is like just the base face makeup. For cream products under the powders, I'm going in with the Fenty, this is the Fenty Match Stick in Amber 01. And I'll just take this cheekbone, sides of my nose, a little bit though. I don't want to look like, I don't like completely transforming my face with stuff, but just enough to enhance. And that's it for that. So now I'm gonna take a little break from the face and I'm gonna work on my eyes. So I think today I've been reaching for this Urban Decay Naked palette, the Naked Sin Mini. And it just has like the perfect neutrals. As you can see, I've hit pan. So I'll take this shade, it's called Bad Habit, and I'll kind of use that as a base, and it is set that concealer that I put on my eyes and everything like that. Or you could use like a setting powder. My eyelids are more sometimes on the oily side, so sometimes I don't use eye primer depending on how I'm feeling. But as you can see, like the difference from right there and there. And it just gives me a really nice base for when I want to go in with any color shadow that I want. Love you, Urban Decay. So then I'll go in, this color is called Boring. It's this matte one right here in the middle. And I just work that into my crease, and I like a lifted makeup look. So I'll be focusing it on like the outer portion more so than the inner, because I don't want to close off my eyes. So as you can see, I'm kind of just like going like side to side right here and then kind of bringing it in. I'm gonna go in with my Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star, and I'm taking this top shade. I hit pan on this as well. It's just like the perfect shimmery bright white for me because my complexion is already very porcelain, so highlighters for other people aren't light enough for me. So I'll just go in right on my inner corner, and that's pretty much it for my eyeshadow as of lately. Again, this is just like one of my go-to looks for if I don't know what I'm wearing, if I don't know what I'm doing. For the wings, I use the NYX Epic Wear. It's just in 01 black. This one is waterproof because I have a problem with products transferring and moving around sometimes because of my skin. What I've been liking lately also, I've learned with my eye shape and face, if I do winged liner, I don't like taking thick line on top of my top lash line. I'll do a wing, but then I'll stop it like at the center of like my pupil, just because I feel like sometimes that'll drag my eyes down and in and closed off rather than like a lifted look. And I also like to look either like straight ahead and like kind of check where I want the liner to hit and fall before I go in with it, because just like following my eye shape and stuff like that. So yeah, so you notice how I stop it and I don't go all in anymore. Now the hard part is matching them, but most of the time, I don't give a fuck. If you are so in my face that you notice my wings are uneven, you need to back the fuck up. And also, I feel like my left eye is smaller. I feel like my left eye is smaller than my right. And it really, you know, like those pictures where it's like my eyes in pictures and you like look like that. That's what I feel like I look like all the time. I think that's good enough. Like, it just reaches a point, like, it's good enough. Fair enough. Good enough. So, lashes. I don't know what lashes I want to do today. They're gonna have to work today. Okay, so just pop on any lashes you want. Usually I do Lily lashes or Kiss lashes. I really don't know, because sometimes when you have a lash drawer, you just pop them in for when you want to reuse them, and I throw out the box and I don't know what they are. So I use Duo Lash Glue, the pink one. I use the pink one because when I'm doing my black liner, it just makes sense to have a black lash glue. And the hardest part about lashes, I find, is not necessarily putting them on. I feel like a lot of girls, they're like, I don't know how to put them on. I feel like the hardest part is knowing when the glue is ready to be attached to your eye. And I know some girls just get those like brush applicator lash glues and they put it directly on their eyelid, and I think it stays better that way, but I haven't tried that yet. A little thin layer, and I'll let that dry for like 30, 45 seconds, sometimes even a minute before I put it on my lash. Boom. Ooh, these lashes are huge. Love them. Sometimes I'll go for the smaller, more natural, but not today. Not today, not feeling it. Don't care. Now, I just dropped the fucking cap. Now it's time for the other one. I feel like when I smile like that, it looks like I bite. Lashes are so hard though, because I'm the type of bitch, if I even feel it lifting in the inner corner a little bit, I'm yanking this bitch off and I'm re-gluing it because I just know. Piss me off. All right, cool. So now that the lashes are on, Depending on the day, I will line my waterline with one of 3 Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil liners. Either 0, which is just a black, or I'll go in with Chaos, which is like a blue. I feel like it makes my blue eyes pop. Or I'll go in with Yayo. I think today I'm feeling the white. So I'll just put that on my lower waterline. God. So now, all right, I'm gonna spray my face with the Milani stuff again. So I've been using the Fenty Beauty setting powder. Also, this is dirty. So I'll take this and I'll take like a little puff and I'll just dip it in and set my under eyes. Boom. And then I'll dust it off later, you'll see. I am now taking the Fenty Beauty bronzer. This is in the shade In the Sun. And then this is just like an e.l.f. brush. Now I am taking the Benefit blush in Dandelion. And I'll be putting that, you'll see where I put it. That looks better, god dang. All right, and then I'll take a little brush and I'll dust off my under eyes. And then, yet again, we're going in with another Fenty product. This is the highlighter in the shade How Many Carats. I got this as a sample, I'm still using it, and I hit pan on it, and it's just like the most gorgeous highlighter ever. Today, I'm kind of feeling under eye mascara, so we're gonna go for it. Right now, I'm using the Clinique High Impact Waterproof Mascara. No, I got mascara on the inner corner. See, this is why I don't fuck with mascara, because the second that I get it where it's not supposed to be, I'm already pissed off. All right, and then sometimes I'll do it like on just like my bottom lash, so I'm gonna do it today. Just boom. Lash. I'm gonna have to fucking reglue it. No, I don't want to though. Fuck. Never mind, it just came right off, the fucker. God damn, I hate that. And sometimes, I don't know if it's like an in your head thing, when you rip off one lash, then the other one starts feeling funny. And I'm like, not both of you. All right, please just stay on, damn it. You don't want it to be too wet, but you don't want it to be too dry, and you don't want it to... I'm gonna stop. Let me stop. Let me fucking stop. Okay, so now that I have my lash back on, the lip combo that I'm going to do today, this is the NYX lip pencil in the shade Coffee. And depending on the day, sometimes I'll cover my Cupid's bows, but sometimes I'll accentuate it. Today, I think I'm gonna cover it. And then, another, as you can tell, I like Fenty products as well. So this is the Fenty lip gloss in Sweet Mouth. Love. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up and a comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. It would really mean a lot to me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. I think the next one is going to be a Princess Polly try on haul. So I'm getting ready for TwitchCon and I need some outfits. So I ordered some stuff from Princess Polly. I'm gonna show you guys what I got.